Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I'm also good. My name is Preeti and in this video I'm going to talk about something valuable about English and any skills. So guys, if you want to develop any skills, it could be English and anything. So what should you do in a daily basis in your life to develop any skills? So especially if I talk about English, so whenever we want to learn this language, so we want to grab so many things in a once and we want to learn this language in a short period of time, so we prefer to grab so many things and we watch so many videos over YouTube and we search so many things about English. So what all things happened between this journey, we are get confused. What should you do learn this language and how should uh, develop this skill, because we get confused, because we see so many things in a daily basis and so many videos and somewhere uh, someone who are better than you, so you get automatically demotivated and you see your journey, I'm not enough and I think I can't learn this language. So why this happened with us? Because we compare ourselves with others. So guys, what should you prefer to do to learn this language? Because if you want to learn this language, so you should not grab anything which all content you watch in a daily basis. Just try to implement those things which is valuable for you and which is going to help you in this language. So guys, what I want to say, I want to say, if you want to learn this language, so which all things is valuable and which all things you can adopt in this language, so you can implement those things in this language and that can help you to grow in this language. Because if we want to copy someone and we want to do something which all people do in a daily basis to learn this language, so I think that is not going to help us, because we have our different journey and we have a different mindset. So that's why we can't copy other and we can't learn so many things in a once. So that's why what should you prefer to do learn this language? I'm i'm not saying you should not watch so many content about English and so many videos, and you should watch and you should take so many things from others video and you should learn so many things about other content. But what should you implement in your life which is going to help you? Because if we have our different what can I say, ideas and different uh, journey, so we can grab something in a by our own. Because if we want to implement and copy others, so we can't learn this language. So guys, what I wanted to say in this video, if you want to learn this language, so which all things is going to help you and which all things you want to do and you can do this thing in a daily basis and try to learn something new and you definitely learn this language. Because if you get confused and if you copy someone, this that thing I'm going to learn and that can help you to grow in this language, so I think this is not going to work. What should you do which all things you automatically can grab in your daily life and you can learn something about English, so that can help you to grow? Because if we use our own formula to learn this language, so that can help us, because we come from different background and we have our different mindset. So we can't copy other and we should not compare, especially with other. Our journey are different. So what can you help? uh, just watch so many people and try to learn from other. But all things guys I want to share, because if we learn these things automatically by our own, so that can help us, because we have our different uh, ideas and knowledge about any particular thing, so that can help you to grow any skills, and especially if I talk about English. So because guys I do this thing personally, so that's why I wanted to share with you. Because I watch so many videos and so many things about English content. So and later then what all things is going to help me ultimately, so that all things I grab and implement in my life, and this thing going to help me and help me a lot. So that's why, guys, which as much English I know, uh, little bit I can convey my thought, and I understand easily, and I'm trying to my best to learn this language. So I just do so many things by my own and try to learn this language gradually, so that can help us to grow in this language. So guys, last but not the least, I wanted to say, if you want to improve this language, so these all things you should do to improve this language, because we should not compare our journey with other, and just try to learn all things by your own, which all capacity you have, so you can automatically learn this language in a gradually process. So don't be panic, and don't uh, you should not panic about this. We can learn this language in a short period of time, because this language takes so much time, because we have so many things about in English language and subject, we can say. So that's why we should learn gradually, and we are definitely at our last goal. So now I'm getting confused here and there. So guys, I wanted to share so many these things with you guys. So if this video is going to help you somewhere, so guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more. So I want to make this video short, but it is going to be very long, so I should end this video now, because guys, people want to watch short videos rather than long, because there are so many people who are busy in their life and they have not enough time to watch any particular video. So that's why we should prefer to make short video, uh, especially when when your channel is not growing. So that's why I'm here and my subscriber is not increasing, but I'm not focused on that particular thing, because I want to learn this language and I want to develop my skill in English. So that is my motto first. And if this video is going to help you, so guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more, and I'll come with a new video and new topic. So I'm also beginner and learner in this language, guys. So if you have some suggestions, so you can give me, so please let me know in the comment box. And right now, that's all for today's video. So bye bye, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.